Hello trader, this is an updated analysis on XAUUSD. We can see that after multiple liquidity trigger from this support level, XAUUSD managed to bounce back up again. So let's see where we can find our next opportunity in this instrument. And before we look at, first let's look at monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. Now looking at monthly on XAUUSD, we can see that this is a currently a very strongly bull market. We can see there is an inverted head and shoulder in that area, and with the inverted head and shoulder the market managed to bounce, pull back, another bounce, deeper pullback. It is in another impulsive phase. So first 20 days of the month we can see that XAUSD was in a very strong bull market. Previous monthly candle is a potential starting of a new uptrending market structure. Now this month we can see that XAUSD from the support level after initial pullback managed to bounce, and as you can see the price is in an all-time high and lower time frame price action is strongly bullish, so we can expect monthly to move back up to create a new higher high. Now dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well this market is significantly bullish, where we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder here, a breakout pullback, retested this previous resistance as support. We have seen another bounce, and we have seen that there is a breakup structure here, and that breakup structure has given a new momentum in this market. Therefore we can see the market is forming series of higher low, and which is a very strongly bullish market. Now previous weekly candle is an inverted hammer. The market opened with a gap, almost 100 pip gap in this market, and currently what we have seen, the market retested. We expected for the market to drop further as the momentum is high. We can see that the market in fact didn't break below. Instead it's showing a very stronger momentum to the upside, and the price currently we can see that it's there is no significant resistance here. Therefore we could see potential further bounce in this market. Now if we look at the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective here, this is the daily bull market. We can see the market was respecting this daily support level, and the price whenever coming near to the 10 EMA is getting a stronger bounce from the daily perspective, which is a sign that this is a very strong uptrend. Therefore we might see the price potentially heading to this channel here. On the daily we might see potential channel creation, so expecting for the price to remain bullish. Previous daily candle is a doji, and from that doji we can see from this level the market managed to break to the upside, and we could see that the price potentially rising up to create a new higher high. So looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the market might be evolving here, we can see that from this lower time frame the price is bullish. Here is we can see there is an impulse here, sideway movement, and from that sideway movement we have seen another impulse, another structure formation, another impulse. Here we can see that multiple breakup structure here. With this breakup structure the market managed to bounce. We have seen another breakup structure. In fact the price has broken this significant support level as expected in our previous analysis. The price grabbed the liquidity, and we have seen the price managed to break out. Now today's price action open with this new gap here on the daily. This is where there is a long week candle, back to back two long week candle formation here from the daily, which is a significant level of daily support. Now if we look at here, this is where the daily support and also the 4 hour liquidity gap. From the 1 hour we can see the market grab that good amount of liquidity from this level, which in fact showing a potential bullish market structure. So this is where on the lower time frame, as we can see, there is a back to back, there are two dodges, and the price from the 1 hour perspective immediately bounce back up. So lower time frame price action will be waiting for potential pullback in that area, especially if we see the 30 minutes or 15 minutes strong liquidity grab. From that zone we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.